Hey guys, welcome back to the garage. Today I'm just gonna do some cleaning on the car. You've been seeing my videos of me romping on the cars, getting them dirty. So I figured I'd take a quick moment to show how I actually do some cleaning. And it's, you know, I'm not a detailer, but I do want to make sure my cars are clean, especially the newer ones that have very low miles on them. So here's kind of the things I'll be using today. That is the wheel bucket. That's the wash bucket with the mitt in it, and they have both of them have grit guards in them. And then that's the rinse bucket. So essentially, I'm using the 2-bucket method and a separate bucket for the wheels. I'm going to do some foam cannon, so I'll video that for you guys. So I usually start off washing by, starting off with the wheels. Give it a good rinse. And I usually take my wheel brush, pick up any wheel brush out there. I'm going to get some more foam in here. Yeah, and go through all the sections of each spoke that gather most of the dirt and grime from driving. And if you're driving like me, you're attracting a lot of brake dust and road debris that get on it, right? So it's a good idea to take one of these wheel brushes. I try to do this once every wash cycle. Just go through it. That way you don't necessarily always have to clean, take off your wheels and clean them out a later day, whatever. It doesn't accumulate that much grime, right? So make life easier for you. I'll also take a little wash mitt, go over each of them, each of the spokes, especially in the crevices here, just to make sure I'm getting that extra bit of grime that's collected in the corners out or loosened away, so then I can power wash them out. All there's to it. All right, you guys ready for some foam cannon? usually leave the foam on here for maybe a couple of minutes just to fall off by itself. Last but not least, you want to dry it with a clean microfiber towel. I usually fold the towel up. As long as you're moving in a straight line, you minimize the chance for swirls and things of that nature. Because at the end of the day, you want to make sure you have a clean car that gleams in the sunshine, and when it gleams, it's not throwing away any swirls or anything.